Hello, everyone, and before I tell you this breaking news, I would like you to please sit because this is going to be disrupting a lot of industries in the near future. Now, the company called Simmons, as you all are aware, they're a healthcare and automation industrial giant. They are partnering up with a company called Recoil, and they're going to make a blender jet. Now, this machine is for mass production only. Now, they want to break into the mass production sector and large scale this. That way, it's a one stop shop. So, for instance, a company out of Utah called Martin 3D. Now, this company got a mass production order from a company out of Florida called Adverse Technologies Corporation. This company is giving the company out of Utah $1 million parts count. Now, this million part count is at 40,000 pieces per week. Now, with this technology, they're doing aluminum. And with this aluminum, what they're doing, they're going to break into the automotive sector. So those UAW jobs that got those big giant raises, they're going to be disrupted by this. Don't think those big threes ain't going to be looking ahead on this. And they're also going to be in the healthcare and aerospace sector and military sector. So with this, they are going to be a huge disruptor. Now, how are they going to be a huge disruptor? You have AI software and humanoid robots that are going to be combined with this sector of Simmons, and they're going to make it so it's a engineer to finished product. Once they do that, you will not be needing a second op, a third op, a fourth op, a five op, a six op, a seven op, and the list goes on until that's a final product. That means mass layoffs all around. Those small and medium sized shops that are customized to threading only, or hey, we're the pipe fitting guys, or hey, where are the guys that you get the O rings from? That'll not be needed because if you can have a machine that you go to the engineer and say, hey, build this for me, he builds it and it's over, that's it, it's done. So this is going to be a mass disruptor. And to quote a industrial powerhouse, Henry Ford, in-house is the way to be. Henry Ford did not like the farming out sector. And the reason why is because you can't control production. You can't set rates. You're always on the phone wondering, hey, where my parts are. This is going to disrupt that totally. So buckle up for the future of this technology. I think the full mass production of this will be seen in the mid 2030s. And also, these companies are all in the zero carbon society. They already say that in their slogan that this is going to be for the zero carbon society market because you will not have all these parts that are either unfinished or waste in material or building the material. It'll be done at the shop, delivered to wherever it needs to be. So they're getting on the WEF playbook and they're thinking not just the greater good of humanity and the earth, they're thinking of this is a big profit margin and we better get on board. That's what they're thinking of. So that's all for now. If you guys like this content, be sure to give a thumbs up, if you would please. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see everyone later. Bye.